Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show you how to base compressor photo compressor. So this is my photo compressor website. Mm, See this compressor.io, this website name here. So you just click here this button and see this website logo and go premium. So just click at this button, go premium button, and this is login button and future button. So I'm just click here login button, and this is my mail here. So my mail paste at this website. Wait and see guys. So I'm typing here. Okay, at gmail.com. Okay guys, then password here. So I'm just typing here this password, then login. Click here. There are no report their compressor this and so I don't log in here, so never mind. Then this is optimization jpg and png, svg, gif and web. So my picture is so guys, I'm select my picture. So guys, see this my website and I'm just open my picture here. So that is my picture. So I'm down this picture open here. So guys, I hope you this website like here, and my channel is subscribe, and this video like here, comment your problem, and see you next time.